Hello students, welcome back. This is Professor Jitendra Acharya and today I will be covering a topic block diagram representation of mechatronics system. Now before starting with the block diagram representation, we will just recap what we have seen in the previous lectures. In the first lecture we have seen what are the key elements of mechatronic system, what is the definition. Then in second lecture we have seen the history of mechatronics and we have seen the applications, that is domestic and industrial applications. So in domestic applications we have seen four stroke engine and photocopy machine, and in industrial applications we have seen the toddler walking robot and Lego NXT. So these two are the robots, small robots, which are used in industrial purpose. Now in this lecture we are going to cover the topic block diagram representation. Now as we know that there are mechanical components, then electrical components, electronics components, and fourth is computer component. So we have to place those components in sequence, so that will complete our block diagram. So let's start with the block diagram representation part. So here we can see that this machine or robot is nothing but your mechanical part, then actuators is nothing but your electrical part, sensors, single conditioners, digital input, digital output, and interface electronics. These are nothing but your electronics component, and computer control or computer system is your computer part. So this is how the mechatronic system is consisting of four different elements. Now we'll see how the sequence is to be followed in any mechatronic system. So we'll start with the first part, that is sensors or transducers. Now what is sensor or transducer? Transducer is nothing but it is a device which converts any physical variable, that is measurable physical variable, into suitable electrical signal. So likewise, if we take examples, then pressure, temperature, humidity, flow, etc. So these are different physical variables which are required to be measured. So those physical quantities are measured and converted into electrical signal using sensors or transducer. So here this is our first element of mechatronic system. Then second, that is signal conditioning device. Well, what is signal conditioning device? So it is nothing but it is a circuit that brings the signal into suitable form for further processing. Now in modern electronics, signal conditioner are amplifiers, filters, and attenuators. So these are nothing but your signal conditioning device. Now why these signal conditioning devices are required? Sometimes you may find that the amplitude of the output of this first transducer or sensor is very low. We need to amplify that to read what is the output. So that output of the transducer is required to be amplified. Now that amplification is done by this amplifier. Sometimes we need to filter that signal, so filters are used. Sometimes attenuators are used. So this is how signal conditioning device works. Then comes this digital input or ADC, that is whatever the output given by this transducer, which when amplified or filtered it remains same in the analog form. Okay, and the output of this signal conditioning device has to be given to the computer for processing, further processing. So, but we know that the computer reads only digital or binary signal. That means we have to convert this analog signal into digital signal. So that conversion is being carried out by this analog to digital converter. So ADC, that is analog to digital converter, it converts the analog signal into digital form so that it can be given as an input to the computer. Okay, next part is computer. Okay, now here the control computer consists of the software, then it also consists of the display where you will get the output or whatever the reading that you have to measure, that you will be getting on this display, and for this input the keyboard is used. Now instead of this arrow here, it should be here because it is a input to the computer. Now this is input. Okay, so consider this as a input to the computer. Now what is computer control computer? So it is nothing but it is a device which records the input data, it stores and compare it with the set conditions, and according to the set conditions it will generate the output signal in digital form. Now along with this comparison part, it installs the software which is required to make this comparison. So the control computer is very essential part in any mechatronic system to perform operations and to give the output by reading the input from these transducers. Okay, then the next part is output, that is digital output which is given by the control computer after comparing it with the set conditions. Now this is nothing but your feedback of mechatronic system, so that feedback is given in the digital form, but our actuators or mechanical component cannot read that signal in digital form, so we need to again convert it back into the analog form. So this digital output by the computer is been converted using DAC. So here you will get the output in again analog form. Okay, so this DAC is nothing but digital to analog converter that converts the digital signal from the computer into analog signal to give it as an input to the actuators or the final control element. Okay, then it next the output by the DAC is been given into the electronic interface. Now what it does, again it is nothing but a signal conditioner. Now it converts this analog signal into suitable form to run the actuator. Okay, so it is nothing but again the interface electronics device. Then what are the actuators? So actuators are nothing but your devices that will control your final control element. So examples could be here AC machine or DC machines or even the motors or control valves. So these are examples of actuators. So actuator is a device that will control the final element. And what is machine or robot or final control element? So it is nothing but any machine or any system or device which is to be controlled by this mechatronic system that takes the input signal from the actuator and provides the final output. So this is how you have to represent the block diagram of mechatronic system. Now these are definitions which we have discussed in the previous slide. So sensors or transducer are devices which converts a physical variable like pressure, temperature, flow, etc. into suitable measurable electrical signal. In signal conditioning device, a circuit that brings the signal into suitable form for further processing. In modern electronics, the signal conditioning devices are amplifiers, filters, attenuators, etc. ADC that converts the analog signal into digital signal. In control computer, then DAC that is converting in digital signal into analog signal. Then signal conditioner or interface electronics device that converts analog signal into suitable form to operate actuator, and actuators which controls the final element. Or if we see the technical definition of this actuator, that is actuator is a component of a machine that is responsible for moving and controlling a mechanism. So this is the technical definition of actuator. So thank you. We'll see in the next lecture.